Traveling can be an exciting and enriching experience, but it often disrupts our regular fitness routines. Whether you're embarking on a business trip or going on a vacation, it's essential to prioritize your health and fitness. In this video, we will explore valuable tips and strategies to help you stay fit while traveling, ensuring that you maintain your well-being and continue making progress towards your fitness goals. 1. Plan ahead. Before setting off on your journey, take the time to plan your fitness routine. Research the facilities and amenities available at your destination, such as gyms, fitness centers, or outdoor recreational areas. Check if your accommodation has a fitness center or inquire if they offer day passes to nearby gyms. By knowing your options in advance, you can incorporate fitness activities seamlessly into your travel plans. Pack fitness essentials. Don't forget to pack essential fitness items to support your workouts on the go. Consider packing lightweight exercise clothing, comfortable sneakers, resistance bands, a jump rope, or a portable yoga mat. These compact and versatile items can be easily packed in your suitcase, allowing you to maintain your fitness routine wherever you go. 2. Embrace bodyweight exercises. When access to a gym or fitness equipment is limited, bodyweight exercises become your best friend. Incorporate exercises such as push-ups, squats, lunges, planks, and burpees into your routine. These exercises require no equipment and can be performed in the comfort of your hotel room or any open space. Bodyweight exercises effectively engage multiple muscle groups, helping you maintain strength and endurance while traveling. 3. Utilize fitness apps and online resources. In the digital age, fitness apps and online resources are readily available to guide your workouts. Download fitness apps that provide workout routines, track your progress, and offer exercise demonstrations. Online platforms, such as YouTube or fitness websites, offer a plethora of workout videos and tutorials that can be accessed anytime, anywhere. These resources provide guidance and motivation to keep you on track with your fitness goals. 4. Incorporate active sightseeing. Make the most of your travel experience by incorporating physical activity into your sightseeing adventures. Explore the city or town by walking or cycling instead of relying solely on taxis or public transportation. Take the stairs instead of the elevator whenever possible. Engage in outdoor activities such as hiking, swimming, or kayaking, depending on the destination. By combining fitness with exploration, you'll not only stay active but also create memorable experiences. 5. Stay hydrated and mindful of nutrition. Maintaining proper hydration and mindful nutrition is crucial while traveling. Carry a reusable water bottle and make it a habit to drink water regularly throughout the day. Avoid excessive consumption of sugary beverages or alcohol, as they can dehydrate your body. Opt for nutritious food choices, such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Seek out local markets or grocery stores to purchase healthy snacks for your travels, rather than relying on convenience store options. 6. Prioritize sleep and recovery. Traveling can disrupt your sleep patterns, leading to fatigue and decreased energy levels. Aim to get adequate sleep and prioritize rest and recovery. Establish a bedtime routine. Create a calming environment in your accommodation, and limit exposure to electronic devices before sleep. Allow yourself time to unwind and relax, ensuring that your body and mind are rejuvenated for the next day's activities. 7. Stay accountable and motivated. While traveling, it's easy to slip out of your fitness routine. Stay accountable and motivated by setting realistic goals and tracking your progress. Use a fitness tracker or journal to record your workouts, steps taken, or calories burned. Connect with fellow fitness enthusiasts through social media or fitness communities to share your journey and seek support. Engage in self-discipline and maintain a positive mindset to overcome any challenges that come your way. Traveling should never be a reason to neglect your fitness goals. With proper planning, a flexible mindset, and the right strategies, you can stay fit and healthy while on the go. Remember to plan ahead, pack fitness essentials, embrace bodyweight exercises, utilize fitness apps and online resources, incorporate active sightseeing, stay hydrated, prioritize sleep and recovery, and stay accountable and motivated. By following these tips, you can maintain your fitness routine, boost your energy levels, and continue making progress towards your fitness goals, even while traveling. Keep in mind that staying fit while traveling is not about perfection but rather finding a balance that works for you. Embrace the opportunities to explore new environments, engage in different activities, and make fitness a part of your travel experience. So, the next time you embark on a trip, don't let it be an excuse to neglect your health. Stay committed, stay active, and enjoy the journey while keeping your fitness goals in mind. With the right mindset and determination, you can stay fit, healthy, and make the most of your travels.